What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate a QR code for your Wix website. Doing so is important if you want to add the QR code to your blog, for example, that'll redirect to your Wix website, or if you want to print business cards, physical business cards that have the QR code for your website on, so that the customers can scan the QR code and go straight to your website. So here are some websites. I'm on the my Wix dashboard. I have the sites that I created on Wix, and let's say I want to create a QR code for this site, the my site 10. Just click on the website here. Now let's say I want to add or generate a QR code for the site, the my site 10. Simply click on these three dots here and then click on view live site, and just copy the URL for the site, and then go to a QR code generator. For this example, I'm using QR Code Monkey. Paste your URL here, and then here you can edit the view or how it looks here. You can set the color. Let's say I want it in red, and this is the background color. You can add your own logo or image if you want to. So there is no logo for now, and you can customize the design to choose between various designs right here. Let's say I want this design here, and your QR code will be generated, or you can here create the QR code, and here it is. This is my QR code for my website. I can download it as a PNG or SVG or PDF or EPS file.